Yes, this complete maintenance for the asphalt plant. Total complete maintenance for the day. Look at this, the dragger. Yeah, very clean.
What's the name of this thing? This one they are maintaining. What's the name?
They call it dragger, but this is the chain conveyor.
Okay, this is the chain conveyor.
Yes, this is the chain conveyor.
So after this servicing now, everything will move very well.
Everything is going to move forward. All the debris that have been deposited have been cleaned off.
Okay. What about this one?
This is the mixer. Here now, this is the mixer where you mix the bitumen and the material comes together.
Okay.
They mix to now have the asphalt product.
Okay.
Wow. So even here too.
So what is the essence of this thing that your boys are doing?
Yes, is to clean and make sure that all the deposit, those that deposit have been there all these years of the machine. It's over 10 years that I've been working with this machine, but this is the first time we have done a total cleanup, including the mixer and this chain conveyor.
So the reason why you are doing this thing to remove all these,
so that when you are going to start the production, there should be nothing say that yes, there is a hook and the mixer did not turn due to those blockage. So it's a total maintenance we are doing now.
So this is where the major work is.
Yes, this is the major work.
What is going to happen? What about inside this drum?
In fact, we have done the cleaning. We are going there so that you will look at it.
Okay.
Yes, this is the dryer where the material is being heated to 160 degrees. This is the dryer. The material comes through this conveyor.
Won't the dryer undergo maintenance?
No, I've checked all the paddles of the dryer are okay. There is no problem with it. There is no deposit inside, except where we are just going. I will show you.
So this
yes,
inside.
This is where the material comes in to the dryer, and you can see this is the inside of the dryer. Those are the paddles of the dryer, as you can see them.
Yes.
That is the inside.
Wow.
This is the inside of the dryer. It is so clean inside, nothing. This is where the material has been deposited, but it has been clean, everything. So for the dryer, we have done the total maintenance, the paddles. It's only the mixer that has a problem.
Okay.
But this one, there is nothing. That is the inside, as you can see.
Yes, yes.
As you can see, that is the inside of the dryer.
So all these sharp things helps in conveying the...
That is what turns the material down to the mixer.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Actually, this conveyor also needs to be changed, but we are going to make a provision so that one will be on the spare, so that immediately when you have completely damaged, then we now remove this one. We have changed this one already. This one that takes the material there, we have changed it already.
Okay, that was the time you guys changed.
Yes, we changed this. This one was changed.
Sir?
Where
do you operate this machine from?
Okay, this is the whole of the machine. That is the total view of the machine that we are talking about. This is the total view. Where I'm focusing on, this is the operating cabin, but we are going inside so that you see how it is. Yes, this is the inside of the cabin.
Okay.
This is the inside. This is the operating cabin.
So this is where the operator stays and
operates everything.
This is where the operator
stay and operate everything.
So everything about this machine can be operated from here?
Yes.
Okay. Well, what are these wires that we are seeing like this?
And you know, in every machine, it's not that. Even a car, when somebody sits on the steering, it is not only the cubicle of the driver. There are things, there are engine, there are wires, and all that. So in this one also you have the same thing.
Things that
when you can see under, these are just the operating system. Okay. You see the contactors, the relays, the PLC, which is make the machine to work automatically. But this is just the control panel here. We can go down, then you see the main panel which carry the circuit breakers, the VSD, that is the variable frequency drive, and all those things, the transformer and everything.
So the variable frequency drive is this.
Now, this is the main panel. But just because we are still doing some troubleshooting, that is why it is looking so scattered. But after everything, you see, we couple it, everything will be okay. This is where you have the main breakers. Like these are the main breakers. These are the contactors. These are the variable speed drive, which some of the motor are and that frequency drive, but some of them are direct on the line. But those motors, because they needed speed to be reduced, you can increase the speed, you can reduce. That is why you use the frequency drive.
Is it every electrical engineer can do this? Can handle this panel?
It's not.
Okay.
Because yes, it's not. The problem we have in this Nigeria is because they only look at the certificates.
Yes.
But it's not a certificate. Yes, they can be an electrical engineer, they can code them all sorts of names. But if they come here, they cannot do it.
So you need to be an industrial
electrical. That is what you can do.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
That is what you can do. So this is the main panel. This is the main breaker where the power comes from the generator. That is the power source. It can be generator, it can be NEPA. But most of the times in Nigeria, you find it very difficult to use NEPA because when you are operating such a thing and there is a sudden power outage, then you have a problem. Yes. That is why most companies, you see them, they use generator. So even here, we are using generator. Wow. Thank you.